everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is number 2 recipe from my pantry overload or overhaul. So this is going to be a stir-fry recipe, and I happen to have some rice noodles that was not included in the first video, but I forgot these are sitting on top of my refrigerator over there. And I have 2.5 packs of these, so I thought this would be perfect for stir fry. From my pantry overhaul: baby corn, bamboo shoots, mushrooms, water chestnuts, and also not on the table is my frozen pepper stir fry. I have several bags of this that I need to go ahead and rotate out. I have some Asian blend vegetables that I'm going to put in as well. Alrighty, well, let's get started. I'm going to add in some garlic and some ginger paste here. Also from my table, I had several bottles of this stir fry oyster. I had 2 bottles of that. Hoisin sauce. This is my stir fry sauce here. And I added out of my refrigerator. This is garlic chili paste. There you have it, my stir-fry vegetables. So I will be moving on to the next recipe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.